Good evening folks, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be learning a very simple tutorial. Actually we are going to apply a wrap over it. Actually it was not really a necessary thing, it's just for decorative purpose, and also I don't really like the unsightly rust marks, so I'll be applying that. What you definitely would be needing is this kind of gloves, as the tiny glass filaments get out of that, and then they get lodged into your hand, and it's a pretty itchy situation. So make sure that you use such kind of a glove and then continue. So that's the basic thing that you have to do. What you would be needing is like obviously the wrap which we have over here, and two clamps like this, so that it could be secured properly at this place as well as this one. So let's continue doing the job. Let's take it out. Nothing really difficult about that. Insert one of the clamp at this place, then make at least one complete pass. Now properly secure it. Wrap the remaining section along the pipe. Make sure that you do it tightly, as if it's loose, it won't really serve the purpose that is looking great in our case, and a sabby job is not really a good thing to go ahead with. Next, as you come close to the head side, or for that matter the block side, make sure that the rope, or for that matter the wrap, is pretty much tight. You can continue 2 or 3 passes. In my case, it was completely utilized. However, in your case, if you have surplus, you'll have to be very careful while disposing it off, as it's going to be very poisonous should something inhale it, or for that matter ingest it, whatever the mode be. And now simply tighten it. That's it, folks. That's how simple it is. A few more things. In case if you are not liking these hairs, you can simply clip them. So let me bring the scissor. And it's done. So that's how you do it, folks. I hope you really enjoyed this small video. Till the next time, stay tuned, build it, ride it.